no friends. So I throw down, hit the town, find a dumb club that plays EDM. And small world is my cinnamon girl. She's handing out the best damn powder in the city. I took a hit, turned around, she said, baby, just come back for more when you feel real pretty. I got low and I knew where to go. Hands in a pocket, I said please don't pity. You don't have to ask, just take it down fast and come back for more when you feel real pretty.